Right. The height x centimetres and width y feet of TVs are in the ratio 9 to 16. Use this information to draw a graph to show the relationship between the height and the width of TVs from values 20 to 80. Now let's think. I can't. 9 to 16, so what does that mean? So 9 to 16, if I double the ratio, that means that if it was 18, double that, that would be 32. 18 to 32. I can't plot a point 18, 32 yet, but I could treble 9. 9 to 27. I'm going to treble that. Don't forget you have your calculator for this. So 3 times 16. I know from that memory, but I'm going to use my calculator. 3 times 16 is 48. So if I had a TV that had a width, a height, sorry, let's get this right, that's height, that's width, a height of 27, it would have a width of 40, carefully reading up the line, 41, 2, 3, 4, 4 because of the scale. Right, I've got 1 point from there. I need at least 2 points to plot a graph, so I'm going to double that, because that will give me 54. Double that, that gives me 96, and I think that should fit. 54 is there. Careful to go up, it's going to be hard, and then I need to plot 54, 80, halfway is 90, 96. Plot my point. I've got 2 points plotted. Draw a line, and that would be the line for my graph. Plotted that. Let's look at part B. Graph of a width 90, so 90 is here. I know my answer's got to be less, 90 is halfway, 82, 84, 86, 88. Right across with my graph, and go down. And on my graph, I'm going to say that would be 49. Check that lines up, it's not lined up quite as well. I would go for that being 49 centimetres. And I'll write my answer at 49 centimetres in the line below. Turn over, read the question. Try and apply the same logic to it. Pause and try. Right, it's got a ratio here of 4 to 5. It starts at 20. So I'm thinking I'm going to try and make this a bit bigger than 20, so I'm going to times that by 10. That gives me 40 to 50. That gives me 1 point. Another point would be, if I times that by 2, that will give me 80 to 100. So I've now got 2 points to plot my line. 40, 50, 80, let's read across from the 100. 100. Draw my line through the points. Width of 90 again. Width 80. There's my 90 line. Draw across. And down, which gives me 72 centimetres. Right, your turn. Again, have a read. The ratio is now 7 to 15. Right, pause that, read part A, 7 to 15. It's the same axis, so you can do it on your exam paper still. We'll just have a different line. I'll let you read part B now. Part B, it's a width of 90 again. Right, paused it, tried it, done it. Let's have a go. This is 20 to 80. It's not what I meant to write. So ratio 7 to 15. I need to get this on. So I need to be bigger than 20 at the bottom for the height. So I'm going to times that by 4 because that gives me 28. Times that by 4, that gives me 60. So my first point I'm going to plot is 28 to 60. If I double that, that would be 56. Double that, that will be 120, which should fit. I've now got 2 points to plot, which are at 28, 60, and 56. Use my ruler to go up to 120. So this is my line, 120. It's about there. Cross, draw. Line through my points. There we are. Use your graph at 90, so we're going to come across from 90. 80, 82, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Coming across. And down. I've not drawn that line well, so I'll rub that out in the exam. Redo it. 42. So I would go with 42, a height of 42 centimetres. Question answered.